Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Draw with Azhar. Today we will draw realistic watermelon. So first you have to draw the basic structure like I draw as you shown in the drawing. So what we are going to do is that we apply a basic layer of color which is called base layer on our watermelon. After you do that, just follow me. Okay, so as you can see, here we complete our base layer and now we are ready to move to our next step, which is to make basic detailing in our drawing, add basic detailing and texture of watermelon we will add in our drawing. Okay, so here we go. If you guys don't know how the fucking watermelon texture look like, then you can search on Google just by typing watermelon texture and you can see the images to understand better how I'm making these textures. Make sure that you remove all the pencil lines as I remove in my drawing. This is my first voiceover video. If you guys want that I drop more, so you can comment down below. And if you have any question regarding drawing, my tools and anything, you just ask me in comments or email me. Surely I will reply you back and sort out your problem. That's all. Guys, I'm going to drop many videos in upcoming days, so make sure to mash that subscribe button so you didn't miss any tutorial, any of my tutorial and my secrets to drawing video which I'm going to uploading soon. See how I am making the texture of watermelon. The area which was I left upward is for making reflections and water drop. Do same as I do in the video. It is white Camlin acrylic color which I am used for making water droplets and detailing in my drawing. You can purchase it in and link in the description below. If you want, just it's your choice. For you, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, change that red color to gray.